Hello guys and welcome to another video by ITGC Tech. Today we are going to be trying the impossible. We're going to teach Smiley here how to make a PC. So Smiley, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. आज Smiley ready है एक PC बनाने के लिए guys. तो very simply we are going to be trying to teach Smiley how to make a PC in this video. And the first step is as follows. First step is that we are going to mount the motherboard. After that, we're going to mount the cooler, and the RAM is already installed on it because through the magic of editing. And we're going to be mounting the cooler and the power supply. So let's get into it, shall we? So guys, Smiley is going to be putting in the screws now. Depending on the size of your motherboard, you have to attach some screws into the motherboard to make sure that the motherboard doesn't come off. And this motherboard has, Smiley, point out the number of motherboard holes, screw holes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 screws that need to be installed.
Yeah.
So Smiley, get into it.
It's done.
All done?
Yes.
Okay. The next step has to be to insert the CPU.
Okay.
For that, you have to see that you see the CPU has a marking indicator that you can see right over here. You have to match it with the mark on the motherboard.
Yep.
The mark looks like this. तेजा हूँ मैं तेजा, मार्क इधर है, मार्क इधर है बहुत.
I did it.
Achievement unlocked. Managed to do it without breaking it. Okay, now we have to insert the RAM.
Okay.
RAM, as you will see, DDR4 RAM is specially keyed in. Keyed means case there is a shape, it only goes in one way. This is DDR4 and it only goes in one way. Match the shape. I'll show you once how to do it, and then you do it with the second RAM. Okay, so this is how you do RAM insertion. Smiley, this RAM has 2 channels. This is a dual channel motherboard. 9900K supports dual channel.
Okay.
That is why we have 2 RAM, so that we can run 16 GB in dual channel. One channel, double channel. Okay. Guys at home, for you guys at home, we're gonna try and show you this here. As you can see, guys, it's a dual channel motherboard. हम इसमें A1 और B1 में डालेंगे RAM को. Alright, we're gonna be putting it in A1 and B1. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what do we need to insert?
Cooler.
The cooler
And the power cable.
and the power supply. We'll first insert the power supply. Guys, here we can see where are the special type of connectors that we have to use, and Smiley is moving the camera. Smiley, don't move the camera. Okay. You have special connectors for peripheral and SATA. You have for CPU and 24-pin ATX. Refer to the guide, to the manual while installing the power supply, guys. So please be careful. Power supply is not a joke. Please be very careful while installing wires. And Smiley, don't play around with it, please. So guys, this is where we mount the power supply with 4 screws. at the back of the case.
How did you learn to build a PC?
By doing, and I learned by doing. I have literally never read too much into like PC building as PC building. I think everybody learns by doing, in my opinion.
Done.
So you mount them like this. Smiley. Well, let me show you this. This is the SATA. This is the SATA connector, data connector, and this is our SATA power connector. Match this. You can easily match this by looking at it, and this goes inside here, and we mount the hard drive. Simple as that. It's much better to mount it before the wires before and then put it. There you go. We have SATA power installed and we have SATA data installed. Okay, this is SATA 1 connected. And this is SATA 2 connected. And it's connected on the other one. Oh, this is our hard drives connected. Okay guys, now we are going to install the graphic card, which is an RTX 2080 Ti Zotac, a sound card, which is a Sound Blaster Pro Gaming, and a PCI Express NVMe drive by Intel. So guys, सबसे ऊपर वाला स्लॉट जो है इसमें ग्राफिक कार्ड लगाएंगे हम, बिकॉज ग्राफिक कार्ड के स्लॉट जो है सबसे ऊपर वाले लगाना चाहिए हमेशा जब भी मदरबोर्ड में रहते हो. एंड सेकेंड वन, द PCI Express drive will go here at the last one, and the sound card will go at the PCI Express 1X slot, 1X, the small one. Yes. Okay.
This one.
Yes.
Give me the graphic card. I'll put it inside ASAP.
Let's put in the hard drive.
Give me, I'll do it.
Perfetto. Sì, bravo. And we will put the HD audio cable in the sound card. The Molex power connector will go here. So this has to be done for the sound card only. Okay, done. Okay, what is left now? Cooler.
Cooler. Cooler is inside the box.
Yes. Now, guys, we have to put on the cooler, the last part. So one thing I can tell you about the H500i is that it gives you a very easy way to mount your fans, your cooler. You just insert 4 screws here, and using this you can just insert it in the front. Okay. With this screw, ta-da!
And it's all done.
No, still we have to insert one wire, 2 wires.
And we have to do this.
Get the
put
thermal
paste.
paste.
And
Yes, put the thermal paste and the mounting kit also. Ta-da! One pinch of thermal paste is enough.
So you're passing it.
Yes.
Okay, give me a little bit.
Reconnect the fan splitters, the fans. This done, each done, and we use the second one.
We can-
It's over here. Okay, done. Finally done.
And the
Now
first
just I
one you
need to do
connected
cable.
was the SATA.
Yeah, and I just need to do cable management, and this case is done. So guys, I hope you found our video educational. If you have any problems and if you have any suggestions for us to how to improve our content, please make sure to link it down in the comment section, please, and it will be very helpful for us. Guys, आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो उसके लिए प्लीज़ लाइक बटन दबाइएगा, और अगर पसंद नहीं आया हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि क्या कमी रह गई, तो हम उस कमी को बिल्कुल पूरा करेंगे. एंड गाइज, if you like the video, please make sure to press the like button and please make sure to press the subscribe button. And guys, let's all get into PC building because PC building is amazing. And some words from Smiley.
So guys, ये था मेरा पहला PC build which I learned from Fajit. It's his favorite game guys, Overwatch, and we made a Overwatch custom
PC based on an H500 ZXT.
Yep, an NZXT case guys. It's super amazing. You can see how it looks. It looks superb. Superb according to me, and it was easy. You guys wouldn't believe PC building was easy. Surprising. I used to see people making a PC and I used to get scared कि shit यार, how will I be able to do it? मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं? But when Pajit taught me, and as you guys saw in the video, it felt nothing. The only doubt I have is the power cable में
Power supply.
Power supply.
I'll try to make it better in the future.
Because I did not do that myself. So you cannot try with the power supply.
देखो उसके साथ every time, see with power it is a bit dangerous. I would really ask you to refer to the instruction manual. ठीक है? Yes, before doing anything with the power supply, I would recommend you watch more videos online. Power supply के ऊपर कोई वीडियो मैं उसको ढंग से मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाया इस वीडियो के अंदर. मे बी इन द फ्यूचर हम इसको और बढ़िया तरीके से करेंगे ना. और देखने के लिए वीडियो को शुक्रिया. लाइक बटन और सब्सक्राइब बटन और बेल आइकन दबाइएगा, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.